like a lot the Suzuki fans. They are always really loyal to the brand. For me, is one of the most important things in the sport. That people push yourself to be better, to be faster.
It's unbelievable all the support we receive from the fans. We saw many fans in the grandstands giving to you this extra boost. They never give up.
We never stop feeling your warmth, and we will take you with us until the final flight.
Thanks, Suzuki fans. We will never forget you.